I borrowed the blue cheese mashed potatoes from the Neelys, then added my own balsamic beef with mushrooms, and honestly, I should probably be stopped. This combo was so good. This looks like a fancy dinner, but it's actually slow cooker magic and a shortcut mash that'll blow your mind. We're starting with a good sear on all sides of the roast. This builds flavor and makes it taste like we tried way harder than we actually did. Once it's browned, it goes straight into the slow cooker. The hard part's basically done. Now for the sauce. It's tangy, savory, and gives the roast major flavor without a lot of effort. Pour it on and get ready for your house to smell amazing. Onion powder. Balsamic. Some honey. Next up, chopped onion. It cooks down with the roast and adds a natural sweetness. With about an hour left, I toss in the mushrooms. That gives them time to soak up all that balsamic flavor without turning them to complete mush. After 8 hours on low, it's fall apart tender and loaded with flavor. This is your sign to upgrade your usual pot roast. While the roast finishes, I start the mashed potatoes. Salt your water really well. It's your only chance to season them from the inside. Once they're fork tender, I drain them and let them steam dry for a few minutes. That helps get rid of the extra moisture and gives you a creamier potato. I warmed up 4 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Then stir in 4 ounces of crumbled blue cheese until it's nice and melty. Once that's ready, I toss the potatoes right back in. One less dish, one more win. Then mash. Rustic is perfect. We're not going for restaurant plating here, we're going for comfort. Give it a final stir and make sure to taste. This is the moment to adjust the salt and pepper to get it just right. When you plate it all together, that balsamic beef, those tender mushrooms, that creamy, cheesy mash, it's rich, it's cozy, and it's a total dinner flex. This is comfort food with a little attitude. Perfect for Sunday dinner, a cold night, or just when you want your family to think you have got it all together. Don't forget to subscribe and join our chaos. We do food, family, and just enough fancy to keep things fun.